Bien, pronunciación del diálogo. Versión final. Hello, Edith. My name is Juan Velázquez. Nice to meet you. José. Hello, Edith. My name is Long. Is Peun fit to introduce your wish. Juan. José, where are you from? José. I'm from Peru. And you, Juan? Where are you from? Juan. I'm also from Peru. We are Peruvian. José. So, Juan, what do you do on birthdays? Juan. On weirdays, I study in this morning and I do my homework in the afternoon. I also exercise at night. Why do you do weirdays? José. On days I work on my computer. Now I study English. Children hawker dinner with my family. Then I cook dinner with my family. Juan. And José, what you do on weekends? José. On weekends I do usually play video games and we see my friends. What about you? What do you on weekends? Juan. On weekends I watch movies, listen to music, sing and chant, dance out with my family. José. Juan. When do you study? Juan. I study every morning. Candy, when do you practice English? José. I practice English at my nice after dinner. Juan. José. What do you doing? José. I play in soccer and listen to rock music. I don't like baking early. And you, Juan, what do you like ordinary like doing? Juan. I love more sincere and I like cooking. Irish like running and I hate doing dishes. José. Juan, what kind of music do you like? Juan. I pop music and I love romantic music. My favorite type hot music is pop. What kind of hot music do you like, José? José. I like electro music and I love rock. My favorite kind of hot music is rock. Juan. José. Do you like pasta? José. Yes, I like pasta. I so love pasta. Do you like pasta, Juan? Juan. Yes, I like pasta and I love hamburgers too. But I dislike espacio. José. Thank you for watching our video. Juan. Be hot when enjoying eating. Bye bye. Gracias.